Greetings everyone, my name is Dr. Leon Clement from Indonesia. In this video, I want to share with you everything you need to know about menopause. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel KalbeMed. Let's go check this out! Menopause is a phase in a woman's life when she permanently stops menstruating for 12 months. It is a part of the normal aging process that every woman would eventually experience. It could occur earlier in life, but most of the time, women aged 45 to 55 will experience changes in their bodies, which is a consequence of going through menopause. Menopause is not an instant occurrence. It consisted of several changes in a woman's body throughout several months or even years before the menstrual cycle completely stopped. This period of change is also known as the perimenopausal period. The actual cause of this change is inside the ovary, where the number of cells producing estrogen decreases with age. The body responds to the low estrogen levels by increasing the production of two other hormones, FSH and LH, which stimulate the production of estrogen as a compensation. All of this results in unstable ups and downs of estrogen levels, causing menopause-related symptoms during this period. Over time, estrogen levels continue to decrease and eventually stabilize at a very low level. This causes women to stop menstruating permanently and therefore finally reach the state of menopause. There are many symptoms during this perimenopausal period. To make it simple, we could classify it into the three groups of symptoms, which are vasomotor, urogenital, and psychogenic symptoms. The first group is vasomotor symptoms. The symptoms in this group are hot flashes, night sweats, palpitation, and migraine. Hot flashes are one of the most common symptoms. It felt like a sensation of heat around the face, neck, or even chest. It occurs suddenly and might last for 3 to 4 minutes in each episode. It can occur several times a day unpredictably. Palpitation is when you felt like your heart beating fast, and sometimes you can also feel like you're anxious about something. The second group is urogenital symptoms. The symptoms in this group are vaginal dryness, itch, and often pain during sexual intercourse, decline in sexual desire, and symptoms related to voiding, such as unable to hold out void or pain during voiding. The last group is psychogenic symptoms. You might feel easily angered, anxious, low self-esteem, or even depressed. You might also have difficulty sleeping or easily awakened when you are sleeping. Sometimes you will feel difficult to concentrate or memorize something. This phenomenon related to the reduced ability to concentrate and memorize is also known as brain fog. These three groups of symptoms mainly occur during the perimenopausal period and tend to decline after the menstruation has stopped. However, due to persistently low estrogen levels, some symptoms might be felt even after menopause. Not every woman would feel any of these symptoms, but around 1/3 of women would have experienced moderate to severe symptoms, which could interfere with daily life. If this happened to you or your family member, this moment is the right one to consult a doctor. Other than symptoms that can be felt, there are also additional health risks related to low estrogen levels after menopause. Estrogen is known to be protective to maintain cardiovascular and bone health. Low estrogen might increase your risk of heart attack, stroke, and osteoporosis, a condition when your bone is brittle and prone to fractures. However, don't be afraid. every woman can achieve a healthy aging process if they manage to maintain a healthy lifestyle. You can start by planning your meals and exercise. Eat a well-balanced diet with plenty of vegetables and fruits. They are rich in antioxidants, which may help you maintain your cardiovascular health. Avoid oily and fatty meals such as meat with lots of fat and fried foods. Limit your intake of salty food to reduce the risk of hypertension. And don't forget to always eat in moderation. A portion too large is never good enough. Adding exercise to your routine, especially aerobic exercises such as jogging, cycling, or swimming, is always beneficial to overall health. It reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke, improves your fat metabolism, and also promotes bone health. Lastly, for all of you who are still smoking or drinking alcohol, stop smoking and reduce your drinking to not more than one drink containing alcohol each day, or avoid it if possible. Those with severe menopausal symptoms also have the option to take hormonal replacement therapy. This therapy might improve most of the menopausal symptoms and also improves osteoporosis. However, this therapy might increase the risk of other complications, such as venous thromboembolism and certain type of cancer, including breast, ovarian, or endometrial cancer. So this option is usually reserved for selected cases and must be under close monitoring by a doctor. Besides hormonal replacement therapy, there are also non-hormonal options. There are supplements that can aid in improving your symptoms naturally, such as pollen extract. Standardized supplement of pollen extract could increase the availability of neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine for our nerve cells. From multiple clinical trials, this pollen extract is efficient in reducing menopausal symptoms with a good safety profile. This might be a good option for you who don't want to take risks with hormonal replacement therapy. Lastly, do discuss your menopausal symptoms with your nearest healthcare professional so that they could provide the best solution for you. Remember, healthy aging is every woman's right, so stay healthy and stay tuned for our future contents. See you next time!